There isn't anything in life that's risk-free. And the last couple of years have certainly revealed with rising interest rates and the excess leaving a lot of what makes the market so easy in times of optimism and bullish cycles is that when there is any kind of correction, then you start to shake out players that or operators or business owners or anyone that doesn't run a very good organization. So use COVID for an example. How many dentists were fined as they came out of COVID versus some operators that lost too many patients and their businesses never recovered? It was completely unexpected, and it's a very insulated industry, but it's not risk-free. Nothing is. And that's why the education and the collaboration, the ability of our doctors to educate one another, to dig in, and then to share things that they've discovered and participate in group calls where they can have meaty conversations about what they find and what they're learning and what it all means, and to kind of create the dictionary, the library in your own mind of how to apply different concepts and terms, how to manage a portfolio of your own private wealth, what level of risk, is appropriate for you and your family. We don't manage people's money. We teach you how to manage your own. And we do more all of the time just to try and encourage our members that there are ways to put on belts and suspenders to protect yourself as much as is possible in a world that is not risk-free.